Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a declutter, clean, and organization video. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is start decluttering all of these things here, and then I'm going to go through everything to see what is necessary and what is not necessary.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to you.
Okay, now that I have cleared away all the things that were inside the pantry and cleaned off the shelves, I'm going to attempt to put this lighting inside of this pantry. Now, in my head, it works out. So we're gonna just see what happens. Okay, so I think I may have figured out a way to adhere the lightning tape to the pantry. So I just need to clean off the area where I'm going to place the tape because we want it to stay there and see what happens. You have to make sure that all that area of where you're going to place the tape is clean, and I usually use alcohol so that the tape will stay up there, because I ain't got time for it to be coming back down, you know. Now, there are no outlets inside of this pantry, so that's what is also my challenge here, besides placing this tape inside of the pantry. So the part here at the end, I have to make sure that that is out at the bottom so that I can use that to plug up the tape. Okay, so it looks like I figured out how to place the strip inside of the pantry.
Now you try to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm
Because I am tired of not having any light inside of this pantry.
burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna
Okay, at this point I was showing you guys how the bottom looks after I installed the lightning strip. I really wanted to place the strip the opposite way, but I had already placed it down, so I did not want to pull the strip back up and start all over again. These wire racks I purchased from the secondhand store. The containers I recently purchased from Home Goods. Be sure to check out my Home Goods video. I will leave a link in the description box below.
enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like you can't let go.
If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational videos.
Shine brighter, brighter than a diamond. Your shine is lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter
In the end, I ended up replacing pretty much everything. There was very little that I ended up decluttering, but I am so happy with the end result.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this. I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough.
I forgot to mention that I did install or place this remote control to the strip as well on the wall here. You see how you can turn this on and off, and it also changes colors too, but I just chose to leave it in the cool white color for right now. Well, I thank you guys for joining me today. See you in the next one.